Hello friends. Yes, the time has come to start the previous year question paper analysis. If you have seen all my previous videos from the topic circle, then this video is going to be very magical and very interesting because each and every question appeared from 2017 to 19 we can easily solve with the help of shortcut tricks and simple buddhi. Okay, so why we are waiting for? Let's get started. So the first question is from 2019 first part. So question number 52. A circle is drawn on the chord of a circle x square plus y square equals to a square as a diameter. Okay. See, to solve any question you have to first understand the question. ठीक है ना. मैक्सिमम मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को क्या होता है कि उनको क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आता है एंड दे जस्ट थिंक दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. नहीं, जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस ट्वाइस थ्राइस, आपको डेफिनेटली समझ में आएगा. ओके देखो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या बोल रहा है. अ सर्कल इज ड्रॉन ऑन द कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर एज अ डायमीटर फुल स्टॉप. ओके लेट्स मी ड्रॉ दिस फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. ओके एक सर्कल है अपने पास, दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर equals to a square. Okay, so we have one chord on this circle, so let's take that chord color is green. Okay, suppose this is a that chord. Okay, now one circle is drawn on the chord of a circle as a diameter. Now as a diameter we have one circle. अभी फिर से I will change the color. Okay, see, taking this chord as a diameter I am drawing one circle. Okay, so consider this as a circle. Now this chord is lying on the line x plus y is equals to a. Means what? If I extend this chord, okay, what I am getting is this is nothing but a line which is x plus y is equals to a. Okay, now we have to find out the equation of this blue circle. So how you will do? Okay, see here, if you consider this line and this circle, you can see these are the two intersection points. And how you find the intersection points? Just substitute one equation in another equation. So take from x plus y equals to 0, you take the value of y which is equals to a minus x and substitute in the circle equation. So let's take and check. So x square plus y is what? It is a minus x whole square equals to a square. So x square plus a square minus 2ax plus x square equals to a square. So a square cancel. So we have 2x square minus 2ax equals to 0. So if I take again 2x common, so what is remaining is, it is x minus a is remaining equals to 0. So from this equation what I can say is x is either 0 or x is a. Yes or no? These are the two values, possible values of x. So if x is 0, then what will be the value of y? If y is equals to a minus 0, which is a, means what? Y becomes a. If x is a, y becomes 0. Okay, now what? These are the two point of intersection of the line and circle. So let me draw or write these points here. So this is what? It is 0 comma a and it is a comma 0. Now see here, if you remember, in my previous fun classes I have told you what is the equation of a circle having these are the end points of the diameter. So that is very simple. It is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equals to 0. Okay, so these are the end points of the diameter because this line is what? It is a diameter to the blue circle. So just substitute the values in. X minus x1 is 0, x minus x2 is a plus y minus y1 is a and y minus y2 is 0, which is equals to 0. So if I open this, I will get x square minus ax plus y square minus ay equals to 0. So what is the equation you are getting is, it is x square plus y square minus ax minus ay equals to 0. So which option is correct? Option B. Isn't it so simple? It's very easy, boss. ठीक है ना? Very good. Next question. The circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 7y plus 12 equals to 0 cuts intercept on y axis equal to. Okay, so this circle is cutting the y-axis. Okay, and we have to find out the length of intercept. So this is the case I think. Okay, so ये वाला जो इस ये जो लेंथ है ना, ये लेंथ अपने को निकालना है. So this length we have to find out. So I have given you one formula for the y-intercept. What is that formula? It is 2 root of f square minus c, and this formula is valid only for the f square is greater than c. This formula is valid only when f square is greater than c. So check whether this f square is greater than c. f कितना है इसमें? f is nothing but it is 3/2. It is minus 3/2. इसका square कितना हो गया? It is 9/4. Whether this 9/4 is greater than what? C 12? No. Okay, so you cannot use this formula here. Okay, so then how you will do this question? The answer is, see, if your circle is touching to y-axis, what is the x coordinate as these 2 points? What is the x coordinate at these 2 points? It is equals to 0. X coordinate is 0 at these 2 points. So substitute x is equals to 0 in this equation. So what is the equation is? It is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 7y plus 12 equals to 0. Substitute x equals to 0. So you will get y square minus 7y plus 12 equals to 0. So for ये का फैक्टर्स निकालो, इसके क्या होगा? इसका -3y minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. So if I take y common, so it is y minus 3 remaining, minus 4 common, again y minus 3 is remaining. So factors कितना आ गया भाई? y minus 4 and y minus 3. So what do you think? What are the values of y? Y is either equals to 4 or y is equals to 3. Okay, and what is the value of x you have taken is? It is a 0, of course, because it is on the y-axis. So what are the coordinate of these intersection points? So this point is what? It is 0 comma 4, and this point is nothing but 0 comma 3. So what is the length of this segment or this intercept is? देखो भाई 3 से 4 मूव कर रहे हो, so intercept का length कितना होगा? It is 1. Okay, so what is your answer is? Option number A. See, we have used very simple concept, very simple concept which you have studied in 8th-9th standard. If it is x-axis, then we have to substitute y equals to 0. If it is y-axis, then we have to substitute x equals to 0. Okay, next one, 2018 second part. The equation of a circle whose end points of a diameter are x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, अरे यार ये तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पूछा है इन्होंने. So this is what answer is: x minus x1 x minus x2 y minus y1 y minus y2 equals to 0. Okay, see the importance of our video lectures. We have directly taken this in one of my previous video, and that reflected in the previous year question paper. Next one, ये तो क्वेश्चन भाई एक 10 seconds में सॉल्व होना चाहिए. Just use your बुद्धि, you will get the answer. See here, if y-axis touches the circle x square plus y square gx plus fy plus c by 4 equals to 0, then the normal at this point intersects the circle at the point is. What is normal? In one of my previous video I have told you normal is anything which is perpendicular. Okay, so let's draw this figure. So ये circle है अपना, the given equation, and this circle is touching the y-axis. Okay, x-axis का पता नहीं, but it is touching the y-axis, and at the touch point, ये जो point है ना, the normal is drawn. This point intersects. So at this point you are drawing a normal. Normal means what? It should be perpendicular to that point. Okay, ये ऐसा आ गया, very good. ये ऐसा आ गया. Okay, so this is a perpendicular and this is my normal to this circle at this point. At this point, then what is the point of intersection at the point is? So this point they are asking. So this point is what? Coordinate of this point is what? They are asking. How you will find out? Okay, see here, this is a tangent. Yes, this is a tangent, and this is a perpendicular to the tangent, and this is also perpendicular. Okay, means what? This line is passing through the origin, of course, because this is a perpendicular and this is a radius and this is another radius. So ये हो गया भाई मेरा diameter. Okay, and if the circle is touching to y-axis, then what is the radius? So in the tricks and tips video I have given you this trick. If circle is touching to y-axis, then the radius becomes the x coordinate of the center. Find out the center of this circle. Find out the center of the given circle. So इसका center कितना होगा? Center रहेगा, it is minus g by 2 minus f by 2 is the center. This is the center, so I will mark this. So minus g by 2 comma minus f by 2 is the center. Okay. Now they are asking the this point का coordinate. Now you are moving along the x axis. If this is a parallel to x axis, so definitely इसका जो coordinate रहेगा उसका ये जो पैरामीटर रहेगा ना, ये y का ये तो सेम रहेगा ना, इट इज माइनस एफ बाई टू तो सेम रहेगा. देन व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस यू आर मूविंग? यू आर मूविंग r डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर. ओके, ये r डिस्टेंस ऑफ मूव के, बट व्हाट इज r इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, इट इज द x coordinate of the center which is again g by 2 minus g by 2. So minus g by 2 minus g by 2 कितना हो गया? It is minus g, isn't it? So if the examiner asks you the point of intersection of this coordinate of this point, then what you will say? It is 0 comma minus 5 by 2 minus f by 2. It's very easy yaar. We have not used even a single formula. What we have used is this concept. If the circle is touching to y-axis, then x coordinate of center is the radius. Okay, that's it. This ends. So what is your correct answer is? It is minus g comma minus f by 2. ये तो होगा ही नहीं, because this is the center of the circle. Okay, and this line is parallel to x axis, so that's why its y coordinate will remain same. Y coordinate will remain same. ये minus f by 2 will remain same. So ये भी wrong है, ये भी wrong है. Okay, I hope you are getting this. Next, 2017 second part. The equation of a circle which passes through the points 1 comma 0 0 comma minus 6 and 3 comma 4 is. Okay, so what your buddhi will say is directly substitute करो भाई. 1 comma 0 0 comma minus 6 you directly substitute. And in one of previous video I have told you, ये LHS 0 होने के लिए एटलीस्ट वन पार्ट आपका ये जो साइन है ना, एटलीस्ट एक साइन तो नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. ओके, सी हियर नन ऑफ द साइन इज नेगेटिव, सो ऑप्शन ए इज डेफिनेटली रॉन्ग. ठीक है, आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखो ना यार. इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 1 एज x, देन यू विल गेट नॉन जीरो क्वांटिटी हियर. ठीक है, अगेन चेक विच ऑप्शन इज हैविंग ऑल प्लस साइंस. नो, अभी नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन से हम लोग एलिमिनेट करते हैं. दिस इज द अप्रोच वी कैन हैव. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट 1 comma 0. सो इट इज 1 comma 0 मीन्स y इज 0, सो ये 0 हो गया, ये भी 0 हो गया. सो 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, सो यहाँ पे आ गया 4 एंड यहाँ पे आ गया माइनस 142, ये आ गया 138. सो 4 minus 142 इज minus 138. सो माइनस 138 प्लस 138 इज 0. सो दिस कैन बी योर ऑप्शन. ये ऑप्शन हो सकता है आपका. सो लेट्स चेक द नेक्स्ट वन. इट इज़ ये 0 है, ये भी 0 है. सो इट इज़ 4 minus 142 ये प्लस 138, ये भी हो सकता है ऑप्शन आपका. ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी कैन ऑल्सो बी करेक्ट. लेट्स चेक द नेक्स्ट वन. ये 0 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया. सो इट इज़ व्हाट, इट इज़ 4 प्लस 150 हो गया 154 प्लस 138. नहीं, ऑप्शन डी इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ हाउ टू टेक मार्क द करेक्ट ऑप्शन अमॉन्ग द बी एंड सी. अभी देखो भाई, ए एंड डी तो कट गए. ओके, नाउ द रिमेनिंग इज व्हाट, only option B and C. Let's check, substitute the second point here again. So यहाँ पे x is 0 है, तो directly substitute x is 0. So ये 0 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया. Okay, ये 0 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया. See here, ये दोनों का part. So if you are substituting minus 6, so this becomes positive. Okay, मल्टीप्लाई करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. इफ यू आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग माइनस 6 एज अ वाई, दिस क्वांटिटी बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. सी द पॉजिटिव एंड ये भी पॉजिटिव है, तो ये इक्वल्स टू 0 हो सकता है क्या? नहीं, दिस कैनॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 0. सो दिस ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. सो ऑप्शन इज सी इज योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सी, आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड एनी सिंगल फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस. what we are using is power of substitution. Power of substitution in detail I have explained you this in the topic sequence and series. So if you have not gone through, please go through that, because this power of substitution trick will definitely save your minimum 15 minutes in your exam. Okay, easy है ना, मजा आ रहा है? Yes. Let's see the next one, 54. So 2017 first part. The two circles x square plus y square equals to r square and x square plus y square minus 10x plus 16 equals to 0 intersect at two distinct points. Okay, ये वाला case है. And this case we have seen in detail. Okay, if these two circles are intersecting at two distinct points, then what is the condition is, it is c1 c2 is less than r1 plus r2 and it is less than r1 minus r2. Okay, so r1 minus r2 is less than c1 c2 less than r1 plus r2. So let's find out what is the c1, that is the center coordinates of the first circle. So c1 is what, ये इसका coordinates center के coordinate by 0, 0. So what about this second circle, इसका circle का कितना आएगा, ये g, it is minus 10 by 2, it is 5, 5, 0. So what is c1 c2, distance कितना है इसका, distance is 5. Okay, so it is 5 less than, what is r1 of this first circle, r1 is what, it is r, and what is r2 of the second circle is, r2 is nothing but root of g square which is 25 plus f square is 0 minus 16 which is equals to root of 9 which is equals to 3. Okay, so r1 is 3, r and r2 is 3. So substitute, it is r plus 3 and it is r minus 3 less than. Okay, so now let's remove this r from these two terms. So how will, so this question becomes your inequality question. ये inequality question. Check which option is correct. ऐसा कुछ option दिया है क्या? नहीं. Okay, so let's have one proper format. So remove r from these two terms. So subtract r throughout the equation. So it is r minus 3 less than 5 minus r less than r minus r plus 3. ये cancel हो गया, ये cancel हो गया. So you will have minus 3, 5 minus r less than plus 3. So remove 5 from this middle term. So minus 3 minus 5, 5 minus 5 minus r less than 3 minus 5. Okay, ये हो गया cancel. So minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 less than minus r less than minus 2. So multiply this equation by negative sign to get this r positive. So what you will have is 8 is greater than r which is greater than 2. So whenever you multiply the negative sign, your inequality changes. Okay, so what is your correct option is 8 is less than r is less than 2, 8 less than r is less than 2. So option number A is correct. Okay, isn't it so simple? It's very easy. Let's see the next one, 55. What is the equation of a circle which passes through the points 3, minus 2 and minus 2, 0 and having its center on the line 2x minus y minus 3 equals to 0 is? So what you will do? Do you solve this equation? Do you solve this question? No. We will use our buddhi and we will directly tick mark the correct answer. क्या बोला है यहाँ पे? You have two ways here. Either you substitute these 2 points in this equation and check which is satisfying, or you will check for the center because center is lying on this line. So let's use the second one. So let's find out the center of this circle. इसका center कितना है? It is minus 3 by 2, 0. इसका center कितना है? It is minus 3 by 2, 6. Sorry, it is minus 6. एंड इसका सेंटर रहेगा minus 1, 0 एंड इसका सेंटर रहेगा 0, 0. सो these points, these 4 points should satisfy this equation. Okay, so ये satisfy करेगा क्या? Definitely it is not satisfying. minus 1, 0, so it is minus 2, ये 0 हो गया, it is minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 should be equals to minus 5. Yes, it is also not satisfying. So option C is also wrong. What about this B option? See here, it is 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus plus 6 minus 3 equals to, देखो इधर क्या है, equals to, ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया, ये minus 3 plus 6 minus 3, so minus 3 minus 6, okay, it is equals to 0. Means what? It can be your correct answer. Let's substitute this minus 3 by 2 and 0. B देखो यहाँ पे minus 6 है तो यहाँ पे 0 आया, तो ये 0 रहेगा तो 0 आएगा क्या? Definitely it is not your correct answer. So which is your option? Correct option is, it is option B. Okay, you can go in any way. Either you substitute 3, minus 2 or minus 2, 0 in these equations. वो थोड़ा time लगेगा. So that's why I have taken directly this center and I have used the power of substitution method. That's it. Okay, let's see the next one. 2016. Okay, what is the radius of the circle passing through the points 2 comma 4 and having the center at the intersection of the lines x minus 4 equals to 4 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. ओके वेरी गुड. देखो इधर क्या किया है, व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल पूछ रहा है. ओके विच इज पासिंग थ्रू 2 comma 4. सो सेंटर नहीं, इट इज अ पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट है. इट इज पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट, इट इज 2 comma 4 and having the center at the intersection point. So it is x minus y, there is one line and there is another line which is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So this is one line, this is another line and in दोनों का जो intersection है that is the center of the circle. So radius कैसा निकालेगा यार, ये इतना फालतू क्वेश्चन कैसा हो सकता है यार 2016 में. तो रेडियस कैसा निकालेगा, दिस इज नथिंग बट माई रेडियस. So find out this intersection point, you have this known point, find the distance between these two, that's it. So I have already given you the trick to find out the intersection of the two lines. So it is x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. It is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So x coordinate कैसा रहेगा and y coordinate कैसा रहेगा. For x you have denominator 3 minus plus 2 is 5 and here यहाँ पे भी आएगा 5. For x ये remove x, so it is minus 7 plus 12. So it is 5 again. Okay, and here you will have it is 7 plus 8. Okay, so it is 15. So whatever you get for y, just multiply by negative sign. So this is nothing but 1 comma minus 3. So 1 comma minus 3 is the coordinate of this center, 1 comma minus 3. So find out the distance between these 2 points. So distance is what, it is the root of what is x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 2 का square is, it is 1 plus y2 minus y1, it is minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 का square is 49. So ये हो गया मेरा root 50. So what is your answer is, it is root of 25 into 2. So 25 को बाहर निकाला तो 5 root 2. So what is your correct answer is option number D. It's very easy. Okay, that's it. Here ends our in detailed question paper analysis for the topic circle. By topic का weightage, if you see, this is not as huge as probability or statistics. This circle is a small part of your conic section. Okay, so you expect maximum 2 questions or hardly 3 questions. 3 questions, it's very difficult. Maximum 2 questions we can expect in the question paper. Okay, so but as the topic is very simple, you should not skip those 2 questions. Okay, वो दोनों के दोनों क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करने हैं और वो उसके जो 5 मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपको, वो आपके जेब में रहना ही है. ओके, दैट्स इट. विद दिस we'll stop here. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, family, seniors and juniors, comment the video how you find this video, and definitely you will be subscribing to this channel so that भाई conic section आ रहा है अभी, conic section 3D and vectors. So these 3 topics are again the most important topics as far as your NDA is concerned. Okay, thank you.